Everyone, this is Shirley, and this is Jamming with Yarn. Happy Tuesday. Yay! Anyway, I just wanted to do this with you guys. I got this pom-pom last year around this time at Walgreens, and it was a dollar. Well, actually, it was on sale. It was a dollar, so I bought a few of them, and I think I had showed you guys that. And what I want to do is to put it on this hat here. My mint hat. You know what I'm doing is I'm trying to stay busy. I think I'm doing a lot better. I think this is year, let's see, my husband passed away in 16, 17, 18, 19. This is my third Christmas, and I have to say that, you know, it doesn't heal it, but it do get a little bit easier, and I'm trying to help that along the way. So I'm staying busy. I've been making hats. If you've seen it on Instagram, and I'm just staying busy, you know, like they say, idle mind. So I'm trying to keep this mind. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Idle mind from being busy. So I'm opening that up. I'm taking that one off. And I have 3 of these so far. Then I am going to take this, and I have a, I have to put it on this hat here. Yeah. So I'll get my needle, my thread. I don't know, that button thing is not working too well for me. But I do like it in case someone wants to, I don't have that many buttons. I thought I had a lot, but I don't. Here's a nice big black one where the thread would go through easy. Let's see my mess. I don't know, someone might want to show me how they put theirs in. Oh, this is just a plain one. I don't know, can you see that one? And I'm going to put that like that and put it in there, and I'll be right back. So here is the finished product of the hat, and I just sewed it in there. I don't know how you guys do that. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have much light, but it's pretty stable. And if they want to take it off, they just cut around the button. Yeah, that was my mistake right there, where I did 2, what do you call it, 2 pearls instead of 1. But that'll be the back of it. That's the front. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Shirley. This is Jamming with Yarn, and I'm getting my little packages together to hand out, to hand over rather, and I have my random neck warmers that I made. Scarf hat, and I got the idea from Ella, who someone sent her, I don't know why it's not focusing, someone who sent her a little care package, and I thought I'll put that in there. So I have a tea, a peppermint stick true lemon satta, and a I think it's called a cold ease. So I have that in there. So that's 1, that's 2, random neck warmer, 3. This is a set here. Here's the hat. This is for a man's here. Come on, focus. Focus. That's for a man there. This one is here. And then I have this one here, which is part of this set here. And I might try to make a couple more. And then I have this bathroom spa set. And the ones that I'm not going to give, well, yeah, I have these 2 here that I have to put in a bag, but I have to weave in the tails. This one here is somewhat big. My crochet has always come out big. These were slouchy hats. Yeah. This one, I think I ran out of yarn, so it's a little short. I don't know. And then this neck warmer here. which is thick, and I did wash it, but it's still really thick. And hold on. Okay, these are the ones that I'm not going to give away. This is my Darn Good Yarn one, which is a little slouchy and wide open. I may keep that one. This one here was a cotton one. I don't like that, so I'm not going to give that one away. I do have one more red pom-pom, you guys. And so I might try to see if I could whip a hat out tonight before tomorrow. And yeah, that's my donation package that I'm giving away. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.